In this session, we are going to discuss about stars. When we are observing night sky, we can see number of stars over there. These stars are in different distances from the earth, and some of the stars are very big compared to the sun. Because of this distance, we are feeling it's very small. In this session, we are going to discuss about different types of stars and what are the specialty of their groups. These kind of things we are going to discuss in this session. Stars are far away from the earth. The distance between the stars and the earth is many light years. Light years is the largest unit to measure the distance. 1 light year is equal to the distance traveled by the light in 1 year. In 1 second, the light is traveling 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, around 3 lakh kilometer. Then think about 1 year. All stars are in different distances from the earth. Stars are not visible during the daytime because of the bright sunlight. Stars are always present in the sky, but at the daytime we are not able to see the stars because the bright sunlight. Stars are rising from the east and they are setting in the west. It will rise in the east in the evening and set in the morning. Stars are not moving. The earth is rotating because of the rotation. The rotation is from west to east. Because of this rotation, we feel that stars are moving. A star which rises in the east in the evening sets in the west in the early morning. Now we can discuss about pole star. There is one star which is having more brightness, and it is situated exactly above the axis of the earth. When the earth is rotating, that time this star is not going to move because it is just above the axis. Pole star is situated in the direction of the earth axis. It does not appear to move because of its position. Constellation. We know that there are number of stars in the sky. In some places, the stars are forming groups, and these groups are known as constellation. Constellation means the groups formed by the stars. The stars forming a group that has recognizable shape is known as constellation. Now we can discuss examples of some of the constellation. First one, Alsa Major. It is the shape of Alsa Major, and it is also known as Giant Bear. It is also known as the Big Dipper, the Great Bear, or Saptarshi. There are 7 stars in this group. Orion. It is also known as Hunter. It also has 7 or 8 stars. Orion is also called the Hunter. Orion can be seen during winter in the late evenings. Cassiopeia. It is having the shape of distorted M or W. Cassiopeia is another constellation in the northern sky. It is visible during winter in the early part of the night. It looks like distorted letter W or M. How we can find the position of pole star with the help of Alsa Major. It is a shape of Alsa Major. It is a constellation which is having 7 stars. The end of the constellation, end of this constellation, there are 2 stars. When we are extending this line in north direction, we will get the position of pole star. Using Orion, we can find the position of Sirius star. If we are extending this line, just imagine we are extending this line, then we can identify the position of Sirius star. Subscribe our channel for getting instant notification of sample paper solution, and support us for providing free online classes to everyone. www.winpointonlineclasses.com